Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Abdul Wahab. My metric number A17A020X. And first, I want to thanks so much to my supervisor, Dr. Zulkifli bin Muhammad because he give me chance to talk to present our slide today, which is the present about the practical industry in our company. Okay. In my company that I have do the job, that I have do the practical. Okay. First, my company is Durian Montotani, which is agriculture industry, and I'm also the founder of the company. My name is Fauzan, also the founder of the company, and established on 2016, on November 2016, allocated in Semenyih, Selangor. Okay, my workflow here is about the plantation. It's about we supply the tree, the saplings, the seedlings, and also we learn how to grafting the seedlings, and also we have do we learn about the how to manage the orchards, how to manage the durian farms. This is the main product here. Okay. And also we also do the consultancy service, which is the soil test. So for the people who have to get the soil testment or soil test, so we go to the orchards or farm, and we get the samplings and we send to the lab, and after that about 2 weeks we get the result of the soil tester or soil samplings. Okay. And also we also supplies the fertilizer. This is fertilizer that our company supplies. Also fertilizer, fungicides, and also pesticides. Okay. The operations here, the departments of our company, which is we have some like human resource, financials, accountants, also production manager and manager. Also we have some of staff here that working here and do the workflow for time to time. Okay, now we go to the next slides, which is scope of exposure to student. Okay, from this company we learn and we have guided to identify the variety of durian. So because they have many of kinds, many of durian kinds, many of durian varieties like musangkis, duri hitams, montongs, and others. So here we learn how to identify the physicals of durian leaf. This is the main contents. How we want to identify, we want to know is it durian montok or not, is it durian musangkis or not. So we learn from the basically about the saplings or the seedlings. Okay, and so we have learned about how to maintain of to max the maintenance of planting durian in orchards and also the farm. And also we have learned about how to manage durian with fertilizing. Okay, from the first stage until the durian growing stage. And also we have learned about to record accounts with accounting system, which is Niagawan. And also we have got to manage marketing and social marketing, and also the offline marketing. Okay, offline network, which is online network. And the lastly we have also prepared the company document for the features report, for the features which is for the LHDN's submit. Okay, so here all the staff which is the old staff or the new staff or the practical student have learned how to arrange the document from the basics until the report, the annual financial report, before we have to submit to LHDN. So this is our work task that we have done in our company industry. Okay, next is contribution to industry. Okay, when we talk about the contribution, I think I don't have many kinds of contribution that I do to the company. but I want to list some of other, which is first we help company the operations and sales, and second is we reach the new prospect in social media with Facebook advertising, and so we do the YouTube advertising, which is Google AdSense, and other that we also prepare a good marketing to the company via latest platform, which is e-dagang platform, Shopee, Lazada, and so on. Okay, I think I also put a new platforms that prospect can order, customer can order the product via the company platform, not the outside platform like Shopee, Lazada. This is the familiar platforms outside that I think some people know about that, but we put the new platforms, the new system that company can to sustain and grow up. Okay, so the next is we promote the new product launching on social media and offline network. Okay, and the last thing we checking the annual financial report. This is the important thing because the company gets many wrongs, many problem on the report before submit to LHDN. So as I was Islamic banking student, so we go through to the report, we check, and then we make the corrections from part to part. Okay, that's all. Okay, next is suggestions of improvement to the company. Okay, first we want to put more system for the company operation to get more easier in workflow. When we see they have many less of problem in system like Shopee, Lazada, and so on. So I think we want to put a new system, company system, like also e-dagang platform that company can manage them easily and not to involve to the maintenance system in e-dagang that's familiar nowadays. Okay, so I think we went to put zero model time system that customer can order from that and get the shipment from that. Okay, this is the first, and the second is we want to reach more manpower with staff in each company organizations, and third is we want to connect the more business network in agriculture like Farma Dua Mardi and others, because I think from that we can get the more connections network. We can make the relationship business relationships, and after that in the future we can get the funds, we can raise the funds, and also we can get help by them. Okay, the lastly we want to monitor the saplings on time to avoid them from die in any disease like fungals and also fungal and so the pest. So we can make we went to control with the pest control like foliar, liquid foliar, and other that in order to make the plants stay healthy in the future from time to time. That's all. Okay, now we want to talk about the challenges of task executions. Okay, when we talk about the challenges, I think they have many challenges on the company, because we want to take a good care to the life things, which is plants, which is saplings, which is seedlings. So I think we have exposed to the more risk, more problems that we want to take a good care to the plant. Okay, it is the first, and the second is we was exposure to the risk of COVID-19 today. COVID-19 outbreak every time to time. So the staff that are working here just about 20% only. Okay, other days just work from home. Okay, and also we lack of knowledge about agriculture. When we arrive here, the first thing, how can I do that? How I want to manage that? What's the plan? What's the variety of plan? Although I am founder that manage my nursery, so I also want to introduce them. Those all I want to introduce to the staff what's the variety, what's the disease, what's the problem of land. So this is my challenges here. Okay, lastly is about heavy rain every day that cause operation work interrupt. Okay, so now I have boots, canvas, plastic canvas from Canberra Highlands. We went to make sure the operation here can I think that the operation here can works clearly, can works very in a good maintenance every day. So this is the RPH plastics canvas we do here in Semenyi Selangor that can make all the staff can good in the performance of the work. That's all. Okay, the last subtopic in the slide, which is added value in student knowledge. Okay, what I have learned and what the added value, the moral value that I have learned from the company. Okay, first is we can make a good relationship with another staff. We have many staff, so we go to see them every day. We met the good friends. We met the good friends with them. So this is the good relationship that I have means just now. Okay, the second is senior staff always guide new staff in workflow. To the LI student, to the new practical student, we learn, we guide them how to manage them, how to manage the plant, how to manage the orchards. Okay, from the first day, the practical student come to the office. So in the first day, we get them to know about the workflow here. Okay, the third is make a new friend and relationship, and fourth is about improve our skill in communication, such as interaction with client. Okay, when customer come over and then arrive here, we guide the staff, we guide the new practical student how to communicate with them, how to explain them about the plan, how to explain them about the disease of the plan, how to manage them. So from this workflow, from this work task, the new practical student know, oh, this is the problem and this is the solution. Okay, and the lastly is about we got a new experience to handle and run the business. From the company also, we guide the staff, and I as the founder also get the new experience when get the new staff, when get the new LI student, practical student, and I have experience to handle and run the business properly. Okay, I think that's all that I want to explain about our workflow in Durian Montong Tani Company or agriculture industry in this company. Thank you. Hey, don't shut down your laptop. Before we end the slide and the video, I want to share you our tasking, our workflow in the Durian Montong Tani Company. So, this is the activity that we do as long as in Durian Montong Tani Company. So we go to visits to the orchard, we go visit the farm and get the soil sampling test to the client. So I hope you all guys enjoy this video. Let's see together.
No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up.